Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix login error on Betway. First, don't panic. Login error are common and can be fixed easily. Start by opening Betway app on your phone. Carefully enter your username and password. Make sure there are no typing mistake, no space, and no caps lock. If your password is wrong, click on forget password. Follow the steps on the reset your password. Try login again. If your message saying your account is locked or suspended, it may be due to the failed login attempts. Wait for a few minutes and try again. Another reason for the login error is poor internet connection. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. It will open the control center and make sure your data or mobile Wi-Fi are strong and you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, reopen the app. If the app is still not working, close it and reopen it or update it to the latest version. You can also try login using your web browser. If your account still not open, go to the help and support customer support through the live chat, explain the login error and they will help you to recover access. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.